Hello everyone, welcome back. And you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Lot of iPhone users have been reporting that their iPhone is taking screenshot by itself after iOS update. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Check your accessibility setting. For that, launch Settings, tap Accessibility, tap on Touch, tap Assistive Touch, tap Single Tap, and make sure that you select Open Menu, then go back and tap Double Tap and make sure that you select Nothing. Double tap timeout is off. If you are iPhone 10, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 user, then follow the instructions. In Accessibility, tap on Touch. Under Touch, scroll down and tap on Back Tap. After that, tap on Double Tap. Next, select None option. If screenshot is selected, then go back. Next, tap on Triple Tap. If screenshot is selected, switch it to None. Solution number 2. Force restart your iPhone by pressing Home button and the power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. And if you're using iPhone 10, 11 and 12, press and quick release volume up button, then press and quickly release volume down button, press side button until you see the Apple logo for force restart. Solution number 3. Check for software update. For that, launch Settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, then tap General, tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.